got this back on. Got a new clutch. Just put that on there. That's the way the old one looked. And this is the chain that broke, and I took a link out and put it back together. And that's one of them contraption things. Supposed to be able to debark logs. I tried it a little bit, but the saw wasn't running right because it sit in that damn shed for 3 months with bad gas in it. So I had to take it apart and clean the carburetor. Well, all that being said, let me get this back together. We'll see if this is gonna run right this time. Them old yard birds. Is it gonna make your life easier? So far not, when you got a shitty Poland chainsaw. We're gonna find out though. Let me get it put back together and I'll show y'all. We'll demonstrate how it works. Alright, Kim folks, got the bar and chain back on there. Hopefully I got it on there the right way. Yeah, I believe so. Can't adjust it. I tried a little bit, but the saw was running so junky. Couldn't test it much. I know one thing. Get oil all over the place. That's what that looks like. It had 2 holes in the bar, and I drilled out that one and had to drill another one. I tell you what, you better have some good drill bits or you're gonna burn up a few. Seems dangerous. Alright, Kim folks.
Bullets fly, I'm the last one to die. Pulling up black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. Don't wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. You keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Pistol whip, quick clip, get the guns out. Dropping bodies in the place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with me, so don't even try. Cause when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die.
SD card is full, folks. All that being said, I don't know, it just depends on what you want. It might be a little faster, but the work's about the same. Just working different muscles holding that 30-pound saw up. And it makes your log ugly. I guess that's for you to decide whether you're going to use it or not. Well, I guess since I started this one with it, I'll finish this one with it. But I don't think I'll be using this thing again. It's exactly what it looks like. It's a planer for a chainsaw. If you want to make flat spots in your log, that's the tool to get. You might even be able to make your saddle notches with it. But as far as making a log pretty, that ain't the tool right there. I'll go back to my old Yanni. I could return it, but I guess I can keep the damn thing for planing stuff. About all it's good for. All that being said, till next time, kin folks, LT out.